Looking for the sleek and intuitive feel of an iPhone on your Android? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore how to bring that iOS magic to your Android device in just a few easy steps. First up, let's dive into user interface customization. By changing your launcher, you can achieve those iconic iOS aesthetics that you love. Next, we'll install some iOS icon packs and widgets to ensure your home screen has a uniform look that screams Apple. Now, let's focus on the lock screen. Modifying it to mimic iOS features adds that final touch to your Android device. Want that handy control center? There are apps available to replicate the iPhone's control center right on your Android. Adjusting your notification settings to resemble iOS alerts will keep your experience seamless and straightforward. Let's arrange your apps just like the iPhone layout, organizing them into folders for easy access. For that conversational assistant feel, set up Google Assistant or explore alternatives that give you a Siri-like experience. Modifying your Android settings and themes to match iOS will truly complete your transformation. And there you have it. A few simple steps to make your Android feel like an iPhone. We'd love to hear how it worked for you, so share your experiences below.